Hard conversations are the biggest productivity killers in business. Whether it's firing a vendor or giving tough feedback, the blank page is where we get stuck. Today, I'm showing you the 4-step Gemini workflow to script your next difficult talk. Step 1. Get the facts out. Let's say our espresso repair tech has missed 3 appointments and the shop is losing money. Don't wing that call. Use this prompt. I need to terminate my contract with the repair vendor. They've missed 3 appointments and our equipment is still broken, costing us Saturday sales. Draft a firm, professional script for a 5-minute phone call that focuses on the contract breach and next steps. Gemini takes your frustration and turns it into a professional script that keeps you on track. Step 2. Tone shifting. Maybe you need to tell your lead barista that her shift handovers are messy. You don't want to discourage her, but things need to change. Tell Gemini, prompt, I need to give feedback to my lead barista. Her work is great, but her afternoon handovers are disorganized, causing the closing team to stay late. Rewrite this feedback using the radical candor framework. Care personally, but challenge directly. This ensures you aren't too nice to be effective or too mean to be heard. Step 3 is the secret weapon. Role play. Hard conversations go off the rails when we get surprised. Prepare for the what if by asking Gemini this. Prompt. I'm about to give the feedback we just scripted. Act as the employee, give me 3 likely pushback excuses they might have, and help me draft calm, professional rebuttals for each. Now you've already lived the conversation before it even happens. Finally, the bias check. If you're angry, your script might show it. Use Gemini to neutralize the heat. Prompt. Review the script I wrote. Identify any blame language or emotional triggers. Suggest neutral, objective alternatives that focus purely on business impact. Stop losing sleep over hard talks. Let Gemini do the heavy lifting so you can stay cool. All these prompts are in the description. Subscribe for more AI workflows. Go!